Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Big Mukbang Theory. I'm KT. It's been a little while since I've done a recipe. I've done a lot of cooking videos, but I haven't really talked to you guys, so it's so glad to be back and talk to everyone. And tonight, I got something really special. You've probably seen the post about my Asian Cole Slaw. Be sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Asian Cole Slaw. Pow! Be sure to hit that subscribe button right now. And voila, there you have it. Great when accompanied by stuffed Japanese milk rolls with barbecue beef and Gouda cheese, which you can also learn how to make by checking out our video on making stuffed Japanese milk rolls. It's a wonderful recipe. It's got an infusion of so many awesome flavors. And the secret, well, I'm not going to tell you the secret. You got to watch it to see, but it's going to amaze you. So thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Big Mukbang Theory. I'm KT. Enjoy your dinner. Be sure to hit that subscribe button right now.